Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your Volkswagen key fob. You're going to need the thinnest possible screwdriver you can find. This is a 1.5, and the thinner this is, the better. And you're also going to need one of the replacement batteries. This takes a 2032, and you can get both these items off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. So if your screwdriver is thin enough, you can just stick it right in here and pry off this cover. Now that can damage the cover, but if you're gentle with it, there won't be too much damage. If your screwdriver isn't thin enough, you can remove your mechanical key and then push the back cover off like that. Once you have the back cover off, just put your screwdriver right here and pry out that dead battery. Make sure you place your new battery positive side facing upward. Make sure it gets under those two tabs. Put the cover back on, give it a good squeeze, and you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.